Welcome to our roundup of the best car amplifiers, powerful audio upgrade units designed to boost your car's sound system, deliver clearer music, deeper bass, and higher overall volume without distortion. Whether you're upgrading factory speakers, adding subwoofers, or building a full custom audio setup, a reliable amplifier can completely transform your in-car listening experience. Modern car amplifiers come with Class D efficiency, multi-channel configurations, built-in crossovers, bass boost controls, thermal protection, and compact designs for easier installation in tight spaces. Many models also include remote bass knobs, high/low-level inputs, and advanced MOSFET power supply systems for improved sound performance and durability. Choosing the right amplifier can significantly improve audio clarity, increase power output, and unlock the full potential of your sound system. Let's take a closer look at some of the best car amplifiers available right now. Starting with the Foci Audio CA3320W car amplifier. This model is a great option for users looking for compact size, efficient power delivery, and simple plug-and-play audio enhancement for small to mid-range car audio setups. It typically features a Class D amplifier design that helps improve energy efficiency while reducing heat generation during extended use. The compact aluminum body makes it easy to install in tight spaces such as under seats or behind dashboards. Many versions include basic tone controls and low distortion output, making it suitable for improving factory speaker systems. Its simple interface makes it beginner-friendly for users who want a quick sound upgrade without complex tuning. Additionally, it delivers stable audio performance and consistent sound clarity during everyday use. It also improves convenience, enhances portability, and supports entry-level audio upgrades. Next up is the Terramps TS400x4 400W car amplifier, a versatile and dependable option designed for multi-speaker setups, balanced power distribution, and strong efficiency in compact systems. This model typically features 4 channels that allow users to power front and rear speakers simultaneously with clean and stable output. It is widely known for its high efficiency and reliable performance in budget-friendly and mid-level audio builds. Many versions include built-in crossover filters that help fine-tune frequencies for improved sound separation between mids, highs, and lows. The compact design allows flexible installation in most vehicles without taking up much space. Additionally, it delivers consistent power output and dependable performance across multiple speaker configurations. It also improves system balance, enhances clarity, and supports everyday car audio upgrades. Moving on to the Stinger Audio MT 1000.5 1200W car amplifier. This model is known for its strong 5-channel configuration, advanced tuning features, and reliable performance for complete car audio systems. It typically features 4 full-range channels combined with a dedicated subwoofer channel, making it ideal for powering both speakers and a bass system from a single unit. Many versions include built-in crossovers, subsonic filters, and bass boost controls that help fine-tune audio output more precisely. The Class D design helps improve efficiency while keeping the amplifier relatively compact for easier installation. Its solid build quality and stable output make it suitable for users looking to upgrade to a more complete sound system. Additionally, it delivers powerful audio performance and consistent sound control across different listening conditions. It also improves system integration, enhances bass response, and supports full-range audio setups. Stepping up in performance, the Recoil Red 1800.5 1800W car amplifier offers stronger power output, improved system flexibility, and enhanced tuning capability for more demanding audio setups. This model typically features a high-output multi-channel design capable of driving multiple speakers and subwoofers with greater authority. Many versions include advanced crossover controls, adjustable gain settings, and protection circuits that help maintain stable performance during heavy use. The robust construction improves durability, making it suitable for long-term installation in high-demand audio systems. Its stronger power reserve allows better handling of bass-heavy music and high-volume playback. Additionally, it delivers efficient amplification performance and reliable output consistency across various conditions. It also improves sound depth, enhances system control, and supports advanced audio customization. Taking the top spot is the Boss Audio Systems 3700W car amplifier, a highly powerful and widely used option designed for maximum output, aggressive sound performance, and flexible installation across different car audio systems. This model typically features multi-channel or bridged configurations that allow users to drive high-powered subwoofers and speaker systems with strong bass and loud output. Many versions include bass boost controls, variable gain adjustment, and built-in protection circuits to help maintain system stability. Its high wattage capability makes it suitable for users who want loud, bass-heavy audio setups. The compact chassis design allows easier placement in vehicles despite its high output capability. Additionally, it delivers strong amplification power and impactful sound performance during high-volume playback. It also stands out for its raw power, system flexibility, and overall affordability for high-output builds. All of these car amplifiers serve different needs depending on power output, channel configuration, and system goals. The Foci Audio CA30 offers compact and simple entry-level sound improvement. The Taramps TS400x4 provides balanced multi-channel performance for speaker systems. The Stinger MT 1000.5 delivers a complete all-in-one audio solution with strong tuning features. The Recoil Red 1800.5 offers higher power for more demanding setups. And the Boss Audio System's 3700W amplifier stands out as the most powerful and aggressive option overall. That wraps up our list of the best car amplifiers, from compact entry-level upgrades to high-power systems designed for deep bass and loud, clean audio performance. Whether you're upgrading your factory sound system or building a full custom setup, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which amplifier you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car audio reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and enjoy a powerful sound experience on every drive.